Namaste and welcome to Reset Your Shakti. So now let's look at Tadasana. It's one of the standing asana. Like I've been explaining, please refer to your guide for every little detail about this asana. Here we are only going to look at the practical part of it. So for Tadasana is nothing but we are going to stretch our body towards the ceiling. So for this, we're going to bring both the feet together slowly. If you're not comfortable, keep a little bit distance between both the legs. Bring both the arms up and interlock your fingers. Now exhale while inhaling, stretch up. Chin little bit lifted up. Stretch as much as possible. Feel the stretch in your body. When you're done, slowly while exhaling, bring the heels on the floor. Slowly, both arms next to your body and release the posture. Happy practicing.